Hey Anne, have you heard the song Dance Monkey?
Yeah, the one that goes, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh.
That's the one. I have some sexy choreo. Are you in?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, girls, here comes Dance Monkey. This is all about fun and sexy. Let's bring those arms up. Move that lower body only if it feels good. Move that right arm down. And other hand. Flip those arms up and just move those hips. However you want. Arms come down. We're gonna walk forward with that right foot first, a little step touch. So it goes right, left, a little faster, right, left, right. Now we go cross right, left, pat, pat, pat on your body. You're gonna shoot it out with one arm and knee. And hold, back it up. Walk around. Here comes our chorus. Stepping out with the right leg, and it goes right, left, cross, cross together, drop, whoop, drop. And we go up, slow, slow, face the back. Do it again. Right arm, right, left together, drop, drop. And up slow. We start right from the beginning. Facing the back, just the arms. Lots of energy, feeling yourself. Face the right, right arm goes. Nice silhouette here. Left arm, flip the arms up, and move your hips. Beautiful, nice work, ladies. Move your arms, get ready to walk it forward. 6, 7, go. Right, left, faster. Cross it. Push it out. Push, push, hold it, and back. Walk. I'm gonna face the back. The girls are gonna face the front. Let's have fun. Right, left, cross and close. Drop, drop. We're gonna add these arms. Turn it around. Again. Are you having fun? That's what it's about, right? Add the arms and the legs. And up, and up. Here comes the fun part. Again. Right. Drop. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Slow up, we're gonna face the back. Get some snaps and hips. Here we go, right side. Looking over that right shoulder. Other side, arm comes out and in. Show me that booty. Arm comes up and down, up, drop. Now we get a little naughty. Spank it, up, spank. Face the back. Drop it, close it, slow up. Reverse it. Woo. Feeling this one. One more time. One more time. Last one, make it count. Face the back. Finish with those snaps. Arm out and in. Out, in. Big booty. Spank it 3 times. 2 and 3. Face the back. For more Burlesque Burn, watch the next video, join our virtual dance studio, or check out our YouTube channel.